Hey guys, our expert here. Let's do some trading based on the concepts that I've outlined on my channel. I'm not going to repeat them. I don't want to make like all the other content creators, the same videos over and over. Just go watch them. You can also join my Discord. It's for free. You don't have to pay for anything. I try to do my best to do one live session in a group. If you've been watching my older videos, or if you have seen my older videos and you read the description, you might think there is still one-on-one mentorship. I don't do that anymore. I just don't have the time anymore. So everything is going to be for free this year. So we're approaching the hour, and then as always, if you've been watching my videos, I try to look for scalps. Yeah, so let's do some trading. So because of the hour opening, I'm expecting the price to just leave this area, because you can see it's kind of consolidating in this range for, I don't know, like the last 30 minutes. Yeah, so it's either gonna leave the upside or the downside, but I do believe it's gonna go up. Let me re-enter again. Again, don't look at the amounts, guys. Always risk the same amount. So when we talk about risk management, so this is a hard rule. I keep talking about these terminologies that I'm using, like hard rules, and maybe, I don't know if this is a term or something, but soft rules. Soft rules might be rules that are not very important. Yeah, but again, so I'm just looking for high probability here, and I'm thinking, so it's gonna leave the area, and yeah, because of this range, I believe it kind of looks bullish. If you look, I think on the 1 hour, it's like trying to come down, and we are seeing wicks here. We're seeing one big wick here, So I'm looking at simple things, Join Discord because I love the Discord because we have so many different styles. Everyone is trading their own styles, but I think my most important message is this. Risk management. So everything comes down to this. It doesn't matter what kind of model you have, even if you're like doing trend lines. I don't have a very high success rate in trend lines. Years ago, I tried this, but everyone can have their own model. I have a video. It's called Perfector Model. Go watch that video. It's where I teach some of the members, and my focus is, or my teachings is not to let go of your model, but try to perfect your model. Okay, let's look for the next one. And again, I'm not like trying to force myself into trading. I'm not like saying, oh, I need to trade, but I'm looking for stuff. And maybe these are the only trades I'm going to do for today. And then tomorrow, maybe I'm going to do 20 trades. It depends on what we're seeing. And this is why I keep mentioning you have to have like some of the charts in your face. So I have 2 screens, and on my other screens I have 8 other charts open. But I like to have I don't know what it is. I don't know. It's just, you might look at the 15-minute chart or 5-minute. I don't know. Everyone has their own style, The only downside is that you might not see this, for example. Maybe you're seeing something here if you have more charts open. But again, guys, don't make yourself crazy. No, I'm just going to collapse it. So I was expecting a move here, but it doesn't give me the move. So I'm just going to collapse it. Yeah, so good. Good, we collapsed this. Let's go short. So very late entry, yeah, very late. So I'm going to collapse this one as well, yeah, because I'm looking at other stuff. I keep reminding you guys, if you're trading, focus only on trading. I mean, I was looking at my other screen at the chart, but try to focus, try to focus on these things. Okay, so let's see if we're gonna see a move up here, because it does want to come in these areas, and I think we want to leave this area. That's what I'm thinking. Yeah? And thinking doesn't mean I'm gonna go and enter. But let's see if the real move is gonna happen now. If it doesn't happen, it doesn't matter because I didn't push the button. Okay, so let's do this. And we're not aiming for a lot. Yeah, again, just grabbing what I can grab, looking for these very high probability setups. Yeah. So let me emphasize, like, don't go in with the amounts you see here. Yeah, see, often when I do a trade, you see the evidence of the probability, how high it is. Yeah, I want to emphasize this. I'm just increasing my probability, but I'm not going to say it is going to go to my target. I'm just grabbing what I can grab. Yeah. And this idea of risking 1,000 here and then hoping it's going to go there, or no, you're going to do $5, $7, $8, this. When you have income, when you have your psychology in order, all this stuff. And obviously I'm talking about paper trading, yeah, because of legal reasons. But you're not gonna like enter with a lot. I'm also seeing a lot of top step people, or people who wanna, they wanna, get to their targets very fast. So they just YOLO. Don't do this, guys. If you're gonna YOLO your account and then be funded, you're just gonna blow it again. It doesn't, yeah. It doesn't work like that, man. Be very careful with these kind of strategies. Also, when you look at this chart, so for some reason, the past few days, we have seen a lot of consolidations. If you've been noticing, like here, 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 here. So sometimes the market does this. So you have to be careful if you want to trade in these environments. Yeah. And if you become more experienced, you might get away with this, but then you have to like really look at the 15-second charts. This is why I'm always trading on the 15-second chart, because it is always going to give me setups. Yeah, always. I'm not saying I'm going to be profitable. No, but often you see setups also in these environments, but then you have to go to the 15-second charts. Yeah, so just keep in mind, and you can learn all of this stuff. You can learn all of this stuff in my Discord. You can ask questions, and I want to emphasize that some of you even stop trading. That's good, because then you can focus on other things in life. Again, here you see this. So we're looking for high probability, but then the price would have stopped us out. Here, look at this. Yeah. So be very careful with just letting it run. So I was wrong. I said I think it's gonna leave the area. Well, it didn't do that. Yeah. But I haven't lost anything. I haven't lost anything. This is why what I'm talking about. And so I'm talking instead of just entering here, on this pullback. Yeah. But this is why. And then I thought it could go a bit down more because of this here. So I'm eyeballing it. I mean, I'm not saying you should do the same, but I'm eyeballing this area here. And even if it was a loss, I would still explain to you why I did this trade. But don't do this. So let's see if we can get along here. But I'm waiting for this up move, and again, not for a runner, but for a scalp. Just because of this, and this, what we're seeing here. Yeah, so this is a lot, man. This is a lot. You should not be doing this. But again, I'm very confident that it is gonna pull back to these areas here, or maybe here, and let's see if we can scalp something. And again, I keep these rules, keep these rules in consideration. And because I'm not just gonna expect the price to go through this area here, you know. So there is no. Wait, what's the time? Yeah, so it's 8, just 10 past. I'm just gonna collapse this now because it is taking too long. Again, don't do this. I'm not saying go in with this amount. I'm just showing the setups, and what you're gonna do is like enter with the same amount. I made a mistake here, you know. This is where I made the mistake, because if I look at the higher time frames, I yeah. So I made a very big mistake thinking the price is gonna leave this area. Yeah. I'm still a bit under the weather, you know. I'm still not fully recovered. Guys, I gotta go. I'm getting a phone call. This video is gonna be short. I apologize. But and again, I just want to show some consistency, you know. Hopefully I'm gonna make a longer video tomorrow. But I have to go. I wish you a good day, man. And enjoy your day or evening, morning. Have a good day, man. Bye bye.